So I've got the valve tipping arm to my valve grinder chucked up in the lathe, and I'm boring it out. I'm going to face and rough drill this piece of bronze round stock. Nice pile of swarf there. I'm going to rough bore it out, finish turning it, and part it off. Look at that beautiful piece. I need an oil lubing hole right there. Once that's done, I can press this bush into the arm. Then I'll hone the arm to finish size. Now I'll turn down this piece of round stock so that this bushed arm fits very nicely on it. Then I can mount that shaft up on the milling machine with my arm fitted on the end I just turned, and this will get everything lined up nice and true. And I can come in here and reface this surfaces right here that hold the valve. So I got it all cleaned up, lubed and assembled. Definitely got a nice feel to it. Now the sweeping motion wasn't an issue. It was rocking while sweeping, and that was starting to create an issue. Anyways, I've already tested it. Now it's time to show it off. So we're gonna tip this valve right here. Alright, so that came out nice. Now I'm going to turn it 90 degrees. I'm going to do the same test. Oh yeah, that came out just absolutely beautiful. Hey, where's the focus thing? There we go. Yeah, that came out nice. So that's definitely the way it's supposed to be, and I'm quite happy with that.